Hello traders, how are you all? Today, in this video, I will explain about a trading strategy, which is easy to understand and very simple during applying. This method is called 3 EMA trading strategy. But before going ahead in this video, if you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel, so that you get early access to our upcoming videos as we post. Now let's understand the video. In this strategy, we will follow the trend. It means when the price will be in uptrend, we will get buy opportunities. Similarly, when the price will be in the downtrend, we will get selling opportunities. Thus, our entry for buying or selling of the stock will be decided by the pullbacks. Now the question is how to find pullbacks easily. For the judgment of the pullbacks, we will use exponential moving average as indicator. Moving average is price momentum indicator. It is called trend following indicator because it moves in the same trend as the price of stock moves. Generally, moving average is the average of closing price of the particular candles. If we plot 20-period moving average, it indicates the average price of last 20 candles. Moving average can help us in two aspects. First is, it specifies the trend of the market, and second is, it makes simple way to implement price action strategy. When the price of the stock is above the moving average, then it is called the uptrend, and at that time, the moving average is slopped into the upward direction. In the same way, when the price is below the moving average, then it is called the downtrend, and that time, the moving average is slopped into the downward direction. But when the price moves along the moving average, then it is called sideways trend, and at this moment, the moving average is almost in straight line. Other secret is, the moving average work as resistance and support, depending upon its trend. When price is in uptrend, the moving average work as support during the pullback of the stock, and from that uptrend starts again. Similarly, when the price is in downtrend, the moving average work as resistance during the pullback of the stock, and from that downtrend starts again. If we plot different period moving averages, then it indicates different trends. I hope you understood the moving average clearly. Now in our strategy we will use 3 different moving averages. We will use 9, 21 and 150 period EMA. Thus, with the help of 9 and 21 EMA, we will find short-term trend of the stock, and with the help of 150 EMA, we will find long-term trend of the stock. We will take this long-term trend as the base to trade in the stock. Generally, 15-minute and 30-minute chart frames are preferable for this kind of strategy. Let us discuss that how EMA works in different situations. For example, there is a chart of a stock on 15-minute time frame. The stock is in uptrend, and we have plotted our 3 different EMA as discussed before. Here the price is above 150 EMA, so it is in long-term uptrend, and price is also above 9 EMA and 21 EMA, so the price is in short-term uptrend also. But at this point the price is above the 150 EMA, so it is in long-term uptrend, but the price is below 9 EMA and 21 EMA, so it indicates that the price is in short-term downtrend. Then what all this situation indicates? This whole situation indicates the small pullback over the long-term uptrend. So, after the short-time pullback, price may go in uptrend again. We understood all these, but how to trade with the help of this scenario? Let us understand the conditions to buy or sell. For buy setup, the price should be above the 150 EMA. Now we will find at which area the price is below 9 and 21 EMA. Thus ultimately we will find small pullback above the long-term uptrend. After finding it, just see that the price is getting support over 150 EMA during the pullback. If the price finds support, then we will make our buy entry. For buy entry, we will plot a trend line on small pullback. To plot trend line, we will join the highs of the pullback. Thus, whenever the price cross over this trend line, we will buy at that point. Now let us understand the same thing for sell setup. For sell setup, the price should be below the 150 EMA. Now find at which area the price is above the 9 EMA and 21 EMA, thus we will find our pullback. Now see that the price is getting resistance over the 150 EMA. If the price is getting resistance over 150 EMA, then we will plot a short trend line over the pullback. Whenever the price cross over this trend line, we will sell at that point. Thus, you understood the conditions for our trade setup. Now we understand our trade example. First, we look for the buy setup. As you can see in the chart, the price is above the 150 EMA, so the price is in uptrend. You can also see, here the price is above the 9 EMA and 21 EMA, thus the price is long-term uptrend as well as in short-term uptrend also. Now second step is to find for a small pullback. Here price is below the 9 EMA and 21 EMA, so it is a small pullback. Now wait till the price takes support at moving average. Here the price is taking support over the 150 EMA, so plot a short trend line over the pullback. Now see at which candle the price cross over the trend line. Here the price cross over the short trend line, so we will buy at this candle. Our stop loss should be below the 150 EMA. Our target should follow 2:1 risk-reward ratio. After our entry price, make a good move. Now let us see an example for sell setup also. As you can see here, the price is below the 150 EMA, so the price is in long-term downtrend. Here the price is below the 9 EMA and 21 EMA, thus the price is short-term downtrend also. Now just find at which area pullback occurs. You can see here, the price is above the 9 EMA and 21 EMA, but it is below the 150 EMA, thus this is our small pullback. Now wait till the price get resistance to the 150 EMA. Here the price is making resistance near the 150 EMA, so we will plot a short trend line over the pullback. When price cross over this trend line, we will make sell entry. Here price cross over the trend line at this candle, so we will sell over here. Our stop loss should be above the 150 EMA, and our target should follow 2:1 risk-reward ratio. That was all. Dear viewers, we require your support. It is hard to make this kind of detailed videos, but we make this, so we can share to you. In return, all my friends, you all just subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can. At least this both things you can do for us. See you all in our next video.